Hi class, I wanted to go over the fitness data analyst project with each of you, covering the 6 schools that I specifically chose were Alderwood Elementary, Yuckaloma Elementary, Wildcat Monrovia, Columbus Tustin, Riverside Vikings, and Azusa High School. The first and second choice of my school districts were Apple Valley and Irvine School District. Apple Valley was focused on Yuckaloma Elementary School, as well as Irvine was Alderwood Elementary School. Something I wanted to catch your attention on here were the demographics and the population. As you can see in the center where the pie charts are, Yuckaloma Elementary consisted primarily of Hispanic versus any other nationality. And when you look at the Irvine School District, primarily Asian and Hispanic. So it was a bit of a mix, which I did enjoy. As we were looking at the summary report from boys to girls, here I wanted to focus on the fact that when it came to Yuckaloma, they had a higher percentage of students that need to be improved on their body composition, which was a very alarming rate in comparison to Irvine Alderwood Elementary, where based on the chart here, you can clearly see that the body composition of students that need improvement was about 18.5 compared to a 54% rate. When I was comparing the schools and the two, I was really asking myself as a physical education teacher in the future that what I really wanted to identify from the data being present was the difference with the higher percentage differences that you can see and read right away. Something I do want to keep in mind is the fact that as an educator, I would want to go with a school that is structured, strict with their students in a sense, but in a healthier, positive note, versus a higher percentage of those that will have future health risks and concerns. In conclusion, out of everything, I have learned how to utilize the Physical Fitness Data Quest tool. I realize how important this information is that you can pull away from each school district depending on where you want to apply yourself in the future as an educator, and as well as where you see your children being located. This is a great tool and resource for each of us to learn as we want to gain more background knowledge. I just want to display my credit page, and thank you for this time.